Have you ever wondered how to move albums from Apple Music to a folder on a Mac computer? That's a very good question. Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to transfer albums from the music application on a Mac computer directly to a folder in the year 2026. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the Mac computer, the Apple Music application, as well as physical albums that we will be transferring to a folder. We can now start this tutorial. So now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to the music application and locate the albums on screen that we will be transferring to the folder. So we have 3 albums on screen. We now need to go to the desktop, go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder. Let's now go within Documents. Let's now create a brand new folder. Let's just call this Albums. We want to then move these applications and the Finder window onto the same desktop. So now we have Apple Music and Finder all on the same window. So let's now go into the albums folder and we can highlight all the albums, drag and drop 37 songs to that folder. And there we have it, those 3 albums have all been moved to the folder. So we can, if we needed to, quit the music application, increase the size of the Finder window to view the full albums on screen, the physical data, physical media, all on screen. We can now quit Finder, go all the way around to the dock, go to Finder, locate the albums again, and there we have it. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.